Welcome guys to Crypto for PJ YouTube channel. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. So today we are going to be looking at cryptocurrency price statistics. I have to understand those terms and when you're analyzing a coin. And we are going to use coinGecko for this teaching today. So if you have not downloaded coinGecko, if you are using an Android device, you can go to your Play Store and search coinGecko. If you are using your App Store, also your iOS device, you go to your App Store to download it. Okay, so let's get started. This is my coinGecko, and immediately you open it, let me exit it. And immediately you open your coinGecko. This is it. This is what you see. This is what you see. Okay, so we are going to be using Bitcoin for the purpose of this class. So I choose Bitcoin. Yeah. Next thing I have to do is to scroll down to see the price statistics for the Bitcoin. So I have to scroll down, and this is where it starts from here. So this is where it starts from here below. Okay, so the first term you come across when analyzing a coin, this can call it fundamental analysis, is market capitalization. So today we are going to look at all these terms one by one to understand it. I'm not going to teach you what any value can mean. That's not what we are doing today. That will be in our next class. But what I'm teaching you today is the terminologies: market capitalization, what it means, fully diluted market cap, what it means, all those things, what it means, so that we can be able to understand them when the right time comes. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be looking at market capitalization. Short form is market cap. So market cap, the mathematical formula is the current price, which is $20,000, multiplied by the what available supply, which is also called circulating supply. So if we can do this little math, let's go to our calculator. So this is current price is 20, let's say 2429. Multiply it with the current with the available supply, that is 19.1 million. So let's do 19 million. Let's just say 19 million. You see, we are getting 3.8 trillion or something, which is this, yeah, which is exactly the market capitalization. So market cap means the current price multiplied by the available supply or the circulating supply. But what does this mean? That is just a big grammar. So when you hear about market cap, it simply means the amount of money people or investors have invested onto the particular coin. So for Bitcoin, 389 trillion has been invested on it currently. So that's why you see the price. That's why you see Bitcoin having a huge price. It came from an utter high of $60,000 to this now. So that is it. That is for the first terminology, which is market capitalization. So let's go back to the next one, which is fully diluted valuation. We also call it fully diluted market capitalization. This one means, from the name fully, it means you are going to multiply the current price with the full supply, which is the total supply. So the first one was current price times multiplied by the available supply. Now you are going to multiply this one with the total supply. So if we go to our calculator, the same thing, yeah, then that is 21 million. So let's put it 21 million. You see, that is 429 this, which is exactly what it's here. So That is it. So the reason why we call this one fully diluted is because they are not multiplying by the supply that is available. They are multiplying by the total supply. So when we get to available supply and total supply, I will explain it. So let's go to the next one. The next one is trading volume. Trading volume is always recorded in 24 hours. Like we always calculate it in 24 hours. And trading volume means the amount of the coin that has been traded in the past 24 hours. When we say that has been traded, we mean either has been bought or has been sold. So since it's a bearish season, maybe this amount of Bitcoin has been sold. But trading means either buying or selling. So trading volume means the amount of that coin that has been sold or bought in the past 24 hours. For example, $21 billion of Bitcoin has been traded in the past 24 hours. So that is mean of trading volume. So that is that. Let's go to the next one. The next one is 24 hours high. 24 hours high. 24 hours high mean in the past 24 hours the highest price of the currency. So as we are using Bitcoin, it means in the past 24 hours Bitcoin has gotten a higher value of $21,000. Then 24 hours low is the opposite, which means in the past 24 hours Bitcoin has attained the lowest price of $20,400. So that is that. Let's go to the next one, which is available supply. From the name, available supply or circulating supply, because in coinmarketcap you won't see available, you see circulating, so they're the same thing. That's why I'm using the two. So available supply means the amount of Bitcoin that can be traded currently. So we have 19.1 million Bitcoin that is traded in all exchanges currently. That is it. That is 19.1 Bitcoin has been mined already, so it's available for people to trade. That is the meaning of available supply. Then total supply means all the amount of Bitcoin that will be brought out or that will be mined. This one, it means available means the one that is just available, that has been mined already. Then total means the whole amount of Bitcoin that will be mined. For example, once miners mine Bitcoin up to 21 billion, they will not mine Bitcoin again. This is the highest amount of Bitcoin that will be available in this life. So Bitcoin will not pass or will not exceed 21 million in this life. So that is that. Then let's go to all-time high. All-time high means the highest price Bitcoin has attained in its life. So Bitcoin reached this $69. That was last year. That is 2021. Then since all-time high, which means after all-time high till now, what has happened? Since all-time high of $69,000, Bitcoin has reduced, or the price of Bitcoin has reduced by 70%. You can calculate this if you wish to calculate it. So for the purpose of this video, let's just calculate it. Let's do 70% of $69,000. Okay. My calculator. 70 divided by 100. Let's do this. That is 0.7. So 0.7 times $69,000. 0.7 times $69,000. That is 48,300. So let's minus 48,300 from $69,000. So let's do minus $69,000. You see, that is $20,000, which is the current price of Bitcoin. So from the all-time high of Bitcoin, it has reduced by 70% to get this $20,000. So okay, let's go to the next one. That's why it's the all-time low, which means the lowest price Bitcoin has attained since it came out, which is $67. and since the all-time low, Bitcoin has made a profit or an increase of 30,000% to this 20,000 due to this current price now. So we can also calculate this. 30,000% means, okay, let's do it. 30,000%, 30,000 divided by 100 is 300. So 300 times, we do 300 times 67. 300 times 67, which is the current price of Bitcoin now, 20,100, which is this. So that is that. Then the all-time low date, they also give the all-time low date, which is 213. That was the year Bitcoin had the lowest price of 67. So this is it. If you follow this class, you'll be able to understand all these things. So in case you come across maybe market cap, total supply, you'll be able to know what it means. So in our next class, I'll be able to tell you what each of these mean in a coin, or what you will see in a coin that you know that this coin will do well or this coin will not do well, by using all these terms or these statistics we learned today. So before I conclude, if you have gained value, please subscribe to this channel for more updates. But let's just check coinmarketcap. Let's see how they write their statistics, so you understand. Okay, let's choose Bitcoin also. Okay, I think it's the same thing. Just click on more stats. So I click it. You see the same thing: market cap, fully diluted market cap, volume. You see they specify the volume 24 hours, which means the amount of Bitcoin traded in the past 24 hours. Then volume cap, okay, volume divided by market cap. Then they have circulating supply. This circulating supply was what coinmarketcap called was what coinGecko called total available supply, as I was saying. Okay, so it's the same thing. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.